this video, I'll show you how you can fix a driver cannot load on this device, ene.sys error. The first step is you want to head over to your Windows update, so just search for it. Make sure you take the latest update. Then what you want to do is you want to search for optional updates, click on it, and make sure you take the optional update as well. After that, you can go back and then you want to head over to recovery. You can search for recovery options if you cannot find it right here. Open up the recovery options, and in here, if you have an option called go back, you want to press on that. If you don't have that one, then just leave this. Then what you want to do is search for troubleshooter. Open up the troubleshoot settings and go to additional troubleshooter. In here, you want to find the program compatibility, run the troubleshooter and just let it load for a bit. Then you want to select whatever you're having trouble with and just follow along. After you've done that, try and restart your PC, and that should hopefully fix the issue. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.